In this video, we are going to look just at a graph in order to determine the slope of the line. So a slope of a line is, equation-wise, is the rate of change. It is the change in y divided by the change in x. And this symbol right here, it's the Greek letter delta, and it means the word change. Now, change means the difference between. Okay, so you can choose any 2 points. It does not matter which coordinate is used for what, just making sure that you are very consistent. So if we label this point 1 and we label this point 2, you'll just want to make sure that you plug into this formula very consistently. Also, you can use what we call rise over run in a graph as well to find slope. So let's look at this example right here. I have 2 points, 0, 7, and 4, 4. Let's go ahead and call this point 1 and this point 2. So algebraically, I can say that this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That would give me 4 y2 minus 7 y1 over 4 x2 minus 0 x1. I would then subtract the top terms in the numerator and leave them there. Subtract the bottom terms in the denominator. And I can't simplify that, so I would just leave this as 3 over 4, negative 3 over 4. Now, the other thing that we could do is we can always go, I always choose to go left to right when I do rise over run, and so I choose the leftmost point. Now, in this case, my rise is actually negative. I move down 3 points, and then I move over 4 points. And so if I do my rise over my run, you'll see that you get the same answer as doing it in the formula.